Howdy, folks. Got to thank my son for sending me this stuff over here. I actually brought it here. And this is from a store called Cool Beans in Statesboro, Georgia. And this is their GATA fuel. GATA is based off of the university there, Georgia Southern University in Statesboro, Georgia. He also apparently have a cup. So I've got a thermo cup with a really nice valve on the front of top of it there to keep the coffee from spilling in the car. God knows that. I don't want that to happen. But just wanted to mention all that. The Cool Beans is a medium roast, so it should be pretty good. We're going to try it. And it's from Statesboro, which is borough built, apparently. Yeah, and it's home of the Eagles. Oh, yeah, so I have to say a special shout out and thank you for that. We'll put these aside. The show today was about another tool that came in that doesn't work. Yeah, so we're going to definitely be jumping on something else. Wow. Yeah, so it's now Tuesday because Monday was, well, it sort of blew up in my face. And I like to put 2 videos out a week, but when something happens and it throws the schedule off, it's so booked from week to week and pre-planned, you just can't sit there and say, okay, let's do something else. So I can't, And I cannot take Thursday's show and say, oh, let's do it on, no, it doesn't work. So that's 6 tools in only the last few weeks that did on arrival from China. So yeah, not good, not good. We've got a bad batting average or something going on here right now. The other thing I did do is I went yard sale hopping and bought an e-bike, those electric bikes, but it was dirt cheap, which was fine. It didn't work either, so yeah. So it fit in. Took the batteries out of the bike to see what the deal was, and the sad thing is something happened in the battery management system, which is the BMS. It's the electronics that's up in the top here. I've checked the batteries and actually started to separate this thing and do testing, and I found the batteries were okay, but they will not charge through the normal system. In fact, there's no point in trying to make them charge because it also has a controlled discharge in the system here to run the bike with. So it was really kind of like, what do I do? So I went shopping and I ordered a new battery, but if you buy the battery from like Amazon, this battery pack here will cost you well over $200. I went to AliExpress, so we'll see how that works out. We're still waiting on AliExpress to deliver. Yeah, again, from China, so good luck with that. And that will be, that's 6, 8 weeks, whatever, several months before you'll get the battery in. But price-wise, about $40 or so, which is a lot less than $200. And all I got to do is play the waiting game to, for it to arrive, and then I can put it back in the case, wire the bike back up, and see if we have an electric bike or not. But yeah, yard sales, you takes your chances. So another thing that does come in every once in a while is stuff like this where it's a prototype. Now this was from Depstech, and it's a prototype, works great, it's wonderful. They sent it over, no packaging, no price, nothing. So we gave them some feedback on it, and they're thinking about everything that I had to say about it. But other than that, it was a great tool. Thank God stuff like like that comes in and works right out of an empty box with no packaging. Brand new stuff that this last company, again, another company, never heard of them before, and it came in, went to try it out, doesn't work. It was like, can't even do a show unless they want me to get on the internet and tell everybody else, don't buy this, it doesn't work. It comes out of the box broken, basically will not work. And in fact, this one was really bad because it actually threw an error code immediately, and it was locked up. It wouldn't allow me to access a menu or something to change settings. It was, couldn't change the output. You couldn't do anything with it, and the MIG didn't work, and all the rest of it. It was like, wow, what are they drinking over there? What do they kind of booze do they drink? I don't know. Anyway, so just wanted to let you guys know what was going on because, like I said, Monday night we should have had a show around 4 o'clock or whatever released, and we got nothing because we had to pull the whole thing and just scrap the elements of the video, just throw it all. So I set the files aside for the time being in case we still somehow get that in. Got tools coming in, but they're not here right now. If they were, I'd just maybe run and drop something on today and just say, well, let's, you know, switch out and do something else. I did have some open plans, but I was thinking maybe get some comments in. Comment about, you know, up and coming tools you're interested in, 3D printing, CNC machines, woodworking tools, metalworking tools, do-it-yourself projects, whatever. I'd love to hear from you. Or just, I don't care. Just do whatever. It's like, oh, I'll tell you, what a mess. This is a terrible week now. Did see something new for 3D printing. If you like to design and draft up your own stuff, there's some new software that came out I think about a year ago, and it's Plastic City. So I'll spell it out for you, because yeah. And they offer a 30-day trial for sketching, and it's basically for drawing up your own stuff that you could make with a 3D printer. It's a pretty cool program. I was trying it this morning and I'm not doing well with it. Yeah, I'm having a lot of trouble with it because I'm a big Fusion 360 user from Autodesk, which is the beast, you know, of CAD. So I don't know if we'll be switching over to that anytime soon right now. I'm going to try the full 30 days and see if I can learn to use it and make it workable. But at this point, it has come up short on everything from threading and drilling holes, you name it. I've had a lot of issues with it. Also, even just the camera facing of the 3D model I'm making, I'm having trouble with, you know, getting the angles of the shot stuff while I'm working on different surfaces to create different parts of the features. So I really have had a lot, really rough over the last few weeks with stuff. It has been amazing. Anyways, thank you for watching Copying Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notice bell for stuff. Thursdays we give stuff away. We do draws and stuff, and we've got a draw coming up, I think, this Thursday, and we got a new tool that we'll be giving away this Thursday. Yeah, if it's not broken. Yeah. I gotta get out of here. Over and out.